What is going on, guys? So this beauty showed up at my doorstep today. This is a Canyon Ultimate CFSL 7.0, which I've ordered about 2 weeks ago. So I'm gonna share with you the unboxing and the assembly of this bike, and also later in this video I'll tell you my views on why I picked this particular model and why not the other options. So let's do it, let's go. So here I'm gonna show you how the package looks like on the outside externally. So they have some labels on it, also parts list, so basically just the components of the bike, and also the tools that they have included inside the package. On the other side of the box, it says here, made with passion, made for you, which is kind of cool touch. Also, I noticed as you open up the box, you can see some writing says, it says, welcome to a community of passionate cyclists, which is, again, it's a really cool touch, and it makes you feel special, especially on the day when you are unboxing your new bike, you know. So here I'm showing you a little box which is inside a box. It's got some little parts of the bike, components of the bike in it, and the parts and the tools that comes with it as well. See, some special stuff for you, like that bag, and this torque wrench. It's really cool and handy. It comes with this little mesh bag that's got some paperwork inside, which I have honestly never opened till now. Also, like the quick start guide, some paperwork and some manual for the bike, a little bell, and sort of like a manual, Canyon Bible, which is in different languages. And finally, here comes the front wheel. It's funny, it's got that reflector thing in it, and some warnings stuck on it as well. And here comes the bike frame, and along with the other parts of the bike attached to it. Also, it's worth noticing how they've done the packaging, like how they arranged and positioned the parts and components inside a box, and also some of the little components are attached to the frame, and they used some sort of Velcro material, and it just works. So here I have finally assembled the bike sort of roughly. You know, it might need a few tunings and polishings to my liking, especially like the seat height and the handlebars angles and all that stuff. Also gonna throw in the pedals later on, but for now I'm just enjoying the view, the first look of it. And this is just a basic rim brake model, which is relatively easier to assemble compared to the other models with Di2 group sets and with disc brakes. Now at this point, I'm just going to share my personal view as to why I chose this particular model over the other ones, mainly because of the practicality. This is just the cheapest or the base model, which comes with the rim brakes, which is also my preference, and it suits to my type of riding, to the type of riding I do, and the fact that it is a rim brake with a mechanical grip set, it means it's easier to maintain as well. And I also like the geometry of the Ultimate and the general look of it. It resembles to me of a classic road bike with no modern aerodynamic lines, cable integrations, except there's the hidden seat clamp. But aside from that, to me, this is what a road bike should look like. You know, just pure cycling experience.